Hi there and welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you all again. Today it's Friday and I'm already on location. I got off from work maybe 4 hours ago and I'm already on location, and the reason for that is the weather forecast. The weather forecast has predicted mist and fog, and the weather forecast has been looking the same for maybe 4 or 5 days, so I'm quite positive that we'll get really nice conditions. And the mist is already building up over the ocean or the sea just next to me here. So I trust this weather forecast, and the mist is slowly creeping up in the woodland. And I have to make a tough decision. Do I shoot now or do I wait until tomorrow morning? And I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. The conditions are really great right now, but I think this mist will slowly creep up and I'll have really beautiful conditions up in the woodland tomorrow. So I'm actually gonna go and sleep in my car. I got a really nice park up just 100 meters from here. So I see you all tomorrow morning. So here I am, and it's 4 in the morning, and where's my mist? It looks like it has been pushed further out to sea. But I think there are pockets of mist up in the woodland, so I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna go for a ride in my car and look for some mist, and it's not too late for this mist to be pushed back in to the woodland. So yeah, this is an interesting morning. I've put up a lot of effort for this photo shoot, so I'm gonna do the best I can for this day. Alright, let's go and see if we can find any mist and fog out there in the woodland. I just drove down this dirt road hoping for the best, and I had almost given up on all hope of finding any fog. But eventually I found what I was looking for. In the fog I could see silhouettes of birds, a great opportunity to combine landscape and wildlife photography. These small fresh ferns looks really nice, almost like a carpet of them here. And I think I'm gonna take a shot directly above them, because the patterns of these fresh ferns are really nice. So yeah, let's get the camera ready, and I'm gonna hand hold this shot because it's quite bright now right now. So much wind. I have to wait until the wind settles. And I'm also using a polarizer to further enhance this really rich green color. So this is looking really nice. There's been a real sudden change in temperature. The temperature dropped really drastic, and there's a lot of haze and a lot of clouds coming in from the sea. So maybe we'll get mist. I haven't given up on that yet. I'll have to wait and see. Maybe I go closer to the sea later this evening. This is a little bit too close. There's a lot of geese and swans and other birds out there, and they seem to be scared of me, so I'm gonna back off. Ooh. I can't get the possibility of mist out of my head, so let's change location once again. Definitely a lot of mist out there on the sea. I can't see the horizon, and the wind is pushing the mist towards land. So I'm in a similar situation that I was last night, only this time I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna go to sleep that early. So I'm giving it 2 hours and I'm crossing my fingers. It's absolutely amazing out there, but the mist is kind of getting absorbed by the woodland. I think it's because of the strong wind. So I'm gonna have to take a different type of photo. So I'm gonna take a photo of a lonely tree. I love that. And this is probably gonna be the last photo of today. So I mounted my Z7 with a 24-70 zoom lens on my tripod, and I've gone a little bit lower so I get a nice composition of this tree in front of me. And because of the wind, I'm gonna have to use somewhat of a fast shutter speed. So I'm at 1/40 of a second, f8 and ISO 320. And here's the shot. I hope you like it. Okay, that's all I had for this video. Such a beautiful day of photography. And if you liked it, please give it the old thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would be very happy if you would consider doing that. Okay, I see you in the next one. Bye for now.